Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Can you hear me, beta? Can you hear me? Tell me your chat box. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. तो बेटा uh, we are going to discuss the chapter physical feature of the world, and today I will give you a very short review of this chapter, and after that we are going to do our assignment. So you have your copy with you, copy 2, and take all the necessary things with you, pen, pencil, and your copy as well. And you have to do this assignment on copy 2. Is it clear? So, first of all, I will explain or I will give you the review of this chapter, and after that, I will dictate you the remaining questions of this chapter. And in the meanwhile, you have to take your copy too, and after that, I will show you today's index, and you have to maintain your index properly. I'm fine, beta. Okay, let's start. Open your books, and this is actually your last topic, the ocean currents, major ocean currents. This is the last topic of and this is the previous topic of your last week. And okay, this is the name of chapter, physical features of the world. And now you can see that we had already discussed the ocean currents. Now I will give you only the review of this topic. So what is the meaning of ocean current? So the definition of ocean current is: the seas and oceans seem calm and peaceful from far away, but in fact they are always in motion, in movement, and the movement of water in seas and oceans can be studied as waves. Is it clear? यानी ओशियंस जो हैं, समंदर, बज़ाहिर हमें बिल्कुल खामोश और पीसफुल लगते हैं, लेकिन इनमें हर वक्त कहीं ना कहीं हरकत, मूवमेंट होती रहती है। और वो मूवमेंट क्या होती है? अंडर द वाटर मूवमेंट भी होती है, और वेव्स के ज़रिए हमें अपरेंटली भी नज़र आती है। जो अपरेंट मूवमेंट होती है, दैट इज़ लाइक वेव्स, टाइड्स एंड इनवर्ड, जो अंदरूनी तौर पर पानी के नीचे अंडर द वाटर होती है वो मूवमेंट, these are called ocean currents. So, ocean current are like rivers of water flowing inside the ocean. Basically, this is the definition of ocean current. So, the apparent movement of water is like waves and tides, and the underwater movement is called current, ocean current. And what is the meaning of ocean current? Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. So, this means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, a narrow strip inside it, or a current, will still be moving at a great speed like a river. जिस तरह एक दरिया बह रहा होता है ना, इसी तरह समंदर के नीचे ओशियन करंट होता है। बेटा सानिया, टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा। इसमें ओशियन करंट बिल्कुल इसी तरह से होता है, और वो ओशियन करंट जो है वो एक रिवर की तरह हमें नज़र आता है। हमें नज़र नहीं आता, लेकिन वो पानी के नीचे मौजूद होता है। सो दिस मीन्स दैट इफ द रेस्ट ऑफ द ओशियन इज स्टैंडिंग स्टिल, अ नैरो स्ट्रिप इनसाइड द वाटर, और अ करंट विल स्टिल बी, नुसैबा बेटा, नुसैबा, will still be moving at a great speed like a river. That is called ocean current. अगर इसकी हम एक एग्जाम्पल दें, Then if a ship, for example, runs into this current, it can take advantage of this speedy flow and sail Muhammad Arif and sail on for miles using very little of its own fuel, just as boats do in the river. यानी इसमें क्या है कि अगर आप इसकी मिसाल देखें ओशियन करंट की, देन you can give an example of a ship which consumes a little bit fuel, and then सेम लाइक द बोट्स, क्योंकि वहाँ पर अंदर पानी फ्लो कर रहा होता है और उस पानी की वजह से वो शिप जो है उसका ज़्यादा फ्यूल नहीं लगता और वो फ्लोट करता रहता है बहुत देर तक, बहुत माइल्स तक पानी में, सेम लाइक द बोट विच कैन नॉट यूज़ द फ्यूल। सो बोट जिस तरह से नहीं कर सकती फ्यूल यूज़ और वो पानी के बहाव पर चलती है, बिल्कुल इसी तरह से शिप जो है उसको ये एडवांटेज मिलता है उन जगहों पर जहाँ पर ओशियन करंट होता है। इज इट क्लियर? So there are five major causes of ocean current. What are the causes of, basically major causes of ocean current? कि कोई चीज़ भी होने की कोई ना कोई वजह होती है। मोहम्मद अहमद, बेटा what are you doing all? Be focused towards your lecture. Okay, there are five major causes of ocean current. Vania Ali, erase the screen. Permanent wind, difference of temperature, difference of salinity, obstruction in the seabed, and rotation of the earth. I have already explained you all these major causes of ocean current. So these are the five major causes of ocean currents. And next, major ocean currents of the world. Ocean currents are not visible as rivers or are on land. So, therefore, experts have different opinions about the names and exact locations of many of the ocean currents. So, what is important to understand the basic pattern of these currents? So, मुख्तलिफ पैटर्न्स हैं इनके, मुख्तलिफ वजूहात हैं और वो कौन सी कॉजेज़ हैं जिसकी वजह से ओशियन करंट्स को समझा जा सकता है। सो देयर आर फाइव मेजर कॉजेज़ ऑफ ओशियन करंट्स। समटाइम्स द परमानेंट winds are cause the ocean currents, sometimes the different temperature of the sea level and surface of the ocean and the underwater temperature are the causes of ocean currents. Sometimes the difference of salinity and sometimes the obstruction in the seabed or the rotation of the earth. So these are the five major causes of ocean currents. So right now I'm going to show you your index. So be focused towards your work and maintain your indices first. You have to do your work on copy 2. Open your copy 2 and write down the today's date and then chapter name, physical features of the world, and write down the question numbers. Long question 4, 5, 6, and then short question 7 and 8. And then exercise B. You have to do the exercise B yourself. Is it clear? Exercise B आप खुद करेंगे, but you have to write down in your indices. I repeat, write down the date and then Tanya, turn off your camera. Write down the date, chapter name, and then write down the question number. Question number 4, 5, 6, and the short question 7 and 8. Beta copy 2, Arham. You have to do your assignment in copy 2. Okay, beta, hurry up. Maintain your indices and tell me in your chat box. Have you done? Sania, beta, turn off your camera. Okay, Halima, Aisha, Asia, Vanya. Very good. Okay. May I start? Okay, let's start. So this is our long question 4. What are ocean current and what are the major causes of ocean currents? Write down the question number 4. What are ocean currents? Abdul Fawzan, do your work. What are ocean current? Abdul Fawzan, I will not mark your attendance. Be focused towards your work. Do your question. What are ocean current and what are the major causes of ocean currents? Answer is, बेटा अब इंडेक्स में आपको लेक्चर के एंड पर दिखाऊंगी. आई विल शो यू द इंडेक्स एट द एंड ऑफ लेक्चर. राइट नाउ यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. हरिया बेटा मोहम्मद अरहम. Ocean currents are like rivers. I am going to dictate you the answer of the question. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. No, beta, write down the index only. On Thursday, we will start our next chapter. Then you have to maintain the title page. Just maintain your index properly and do your work first of all. Write down the answer. Okay. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. Full stop. This means that this means that if the rest of the ocean if the rest of the ocean is standing still, this means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, comma, a narrow strip a narrow strip inside it a narrow strip inside it, comma, or a current comma, will still be moving will still be moving at a greater speed will still be moving at a greater speed, comma, like a river like a river, full stop. Okay, like a river, full stop. I repeat the whole question once again. Take your time, write down the answer. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. This means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, comma, a narrow strip inside it or a current will still be moving at a greater speed like a river. So अब नेक्स्ट टाइम पर आप लिखेंगे देयर आर 5 major causes of ocean currents. There are 5 major causes of ocean currents. Number 1, permanent winds. Number 2, difference of temperature. Number 3, difference of salinity. Number 4, obstruction in the seabed. Obstruction in the seabed. And number 5, rotation of the earth. Rotation of the earth. Beta, erase the screen right now. Okay. Okay, Ramla beta. We have to wait for others. Very good, Ramla. Okay, ocean currents. I am going to repeat. There are 5 major causes of ocean currents. Number 1, permanent winds, difference of temperature, difference of salinity, obstruction in the seabed, rotation of the earth. Have you done? Okay, Muhammad Umar. Well done, Aisha, Muhammad Umar, everyone. Well done. Okay, let's start the next question. Question number 5 is, okay, how many oceans are there in the world? Give details of any two of them. How many oceans are there in the world? Question mark. Give details of any two of them. Give details of any two of them. How many oceans are there in the world? Give details of any two of them. Answer is, there are 5 oceans in the world. There are 5 oceans in the world. बेटा अरहम, आप पहले क्लास के साथ चलिए. Write down the question 5 बेटा. After that I will show you the question 5 and 6 as well. Okay. How many oceans are there in the world? Give details of any two of them. There are 5 oceans in the world. Number 1, Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Number 4, Antarctic Ocean. And number 5, Arctic Ocean. I repeat, there are 5 oceans in the world. Number 1, Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Number 4, Antarctic Ocean. And number 5, Arctic Ocean. And we have to write down only two oceans. So we are going to write about the Arctic Ocean. Number 1, Arctic Ocean. Write down the heading of the Arctic Ocean. Done? Okay. The Arctic Ocean is also known as the Arctic Ocean is also known as the Arctic Sea. The Arctic Ocean is also known as the Arctic Sea. Full stop. It is a great mass of water. Better turn off your mics, otherwise, I will call your name and will not mark your attendance. I know who you are. The Arctic Ocean is also known as the Arctic Sea, full stop. It is a great mass of water around the North Pole. N and P will be written in the capital letter. It is a great mass of water around the North Pole, comma, and remains frozen and remains frozen for most of the year and remains frozen for most of the year. Well done, beta Abdurrahman. Now please wait. Okay, it is a great mass of water around the North Pole and remains frozen throughout the for most of the year. Full stop. Towards the south, towards the south, comma, the three continents, towards the south, comma, the three continents that touch it, Dulfozan, towards the south, comma, the three continents that touch it are Asia, A capital, that touch it are Asia, comma, Europe and North America and North America. Towards the south, comma,
Most
the three
thing,
continents
the
that,
most important thing.
that touch it are Asia, Europe and North America. Full stop. Better turn off your mic, otherwise I will block you. The most important thing is that the North Pole is located here. The most important thing is that the North Pole is located here. Full stop. Write down the second heading, the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean. I repeat, the Arctic Ocean. In the meanwhile, you have to write down the second heading. The Arctic Ocean is also known as the Arctic Sea. It is a great mass of water around the North Pole and remains frozen for most of the year. Towards the south, the three continents that touch it are Asia, Europe, and North America. The most important thing is that the North Pole is located here. Now, the second heading, the Antarctic Ocean. The Atlantic, comma, Pacific, and Indian Oceans meet in the Antarctic region. The Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans meet in the Antarctic region near the South Pole. Near the South Pole. S and P are being written in capital letters. South Pole, full stop. The Antarctic Ocean is formed by the Antarctic Ocean is formed by the junction of these junction of these three oceans. Full stop. It remains frozen. It remains frozen for most of the year. It remains frozen for most of the year. A very interesting feature, a very interesting feature of this ocean the current wheel the current wheel, comma, also called the also called the Antarctic gear, also called the Antarctic gear. Done. Have you all
No,
done?
No, miss, please wait for a second.
Hurry up, beta. Okay, Aisha, Muhammad Arif, Sumaya. Very good, beta.
Please.
Miss, wait. Miss, wait.
I'm waiting, beta. I'm waiting.
Miss, wait. Miss done.
All of you done?
नो मिस वेट। मिस
Yes,
मेरे पास
miss.
से मिस
Miss
मेरे पास
done.
से आपकी
Miss done.
स्क्रीन हट गई थी, इसकी वजह से मुझे दिखा नहीं।
अच्छा.
मिस प्लीज वेट कर
Miss
लें।
done.
Okay, beta.
Miss done. Miss done.
Okay.
Miss done.
Okay, beta. Next question is
मिस प्लीज एक दफा दिखा दें।
बेटा कितना रह गया आपका? मुझे इनको
मिस
क्वेश्चन
बस
लिखवाने दीजिए. What
मिस
are
बस
the
लास्ट की दो
हाँ
लाइन रह गई
एक
है।
मिनट एक मिनट बेटा. All of you have done. So write down the question. Only question. Question
Yes,
says,
miss.
what are the effects of the ocean currents? What are the effects of the ocean currents? What are the effects of the ocean currents in the world? What are the effects of the ocean currents in the world? Write down the question number 6. What are the effects of the ocean currents in the world? Better look at your last two lines. Question 5, last two lines. A very interesting feature of this ocean is the current wheel, also called the Antarctic gear. Done?
मिस वेट। मिस लास्ट लाइन रह गई।
Miss done.
You are taking much time.
मिस सही है, मिस सही है।
Okay, thank you. Now, better write down the question. Hurry up. What are the effects of the ocean currents in the world? Answer is ocean currents. Ocean currents have great impact on climate. Ocean currents have great impact on climate and trade of countries. And trade of countries. Ocean currents have great impact on climate and trade of countries. Full stop. Now you have to write on next line. Number 1, ocean currents affect the temperatures of the coast. Ocean currents affect the temperatures of the coast. Number 2, mixture of cold and warm water. Mixture of cold and warm water produces fog. Number 3, ocean currents also affect rainfall. Number 3, ocean currents also affect rainfall.
मिस
नम
आपकी स्क्रीन मेरे पास से बार बार हटी जा रही है।
बेटा आप अपनी डिवाइस को चेक कीजिए. मेरे पास तो स्क्रीन शो हो रही है ना.
Yes, miss.
जी. Number 4, glaciers. Glaciers also move in the ocean Glaciers also move in the ocean currents. Beta, we have just 10 minutes. Hurry up, beta. Glaciers also move in the ocean. Turn off your cameras, Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Arif. Glaciers also move in the ocean currents coming from the polar region. Coming from the polar region. Number 5. Cold currents. Cold currents do not just carry glaciers. Cold currents do not just carry glaciers. They also bring valuable fish. They also bring valuable fish. Number 6. Currents can affect the speed of ship. Number 6. Currents can affect the speed of ship. Number 7. Currents can prevent water. Number 7. Currents can prevent water from freezing. Currents can prevent water from freezing. Very good, all of you. We have to wait for others, beta. Well done. Number 8. Ocean currents also prevent water. Ocean currents also prevent the water from stagnating.
Yes, I'm with you.
Very good, beta. Very good.
मिस आप
All
बिट
of
नंबर 7 मिस आप बिट नंबर 7 एक दफा रिपीट कर सकती है
bit number 7.
Miss done.
Okay.
Yes,
Currents
miss.
can prevent water.
Miss
Currents
done.
can prevent
Go on.
water. Just a minute, beta. Currents can prevent water from freezing.
Okay, miss.
मिस 8 भी रिपीट कर सकती हैं
जी
एक
जी
दफा
कर सकती हूँ. Ocean currents also prevent the water. Ocean currents also prevent the water from stagnating. Stagnating means stale, यानी उसे रुकने नहीं देते, खड़ा नहीं होने देते. Ocean currents पानी को चलाते रहते हैं. Done?
Yes, miss,
यस
done.
डन मिस
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
मैं
ओके,
जल्दी कराता हूँ, टाइम
जल्दी
एंड
से.
चल रहा है.
जी जी, और जल्दी से ये कर लीजिए. बस आपके ये 2 क्वेश्चंस रह गए हैं. शॉर्ट आपका चैप्टर एंड हो जाएगा. Which is the most interesting feature of Australia? Which is the most interesting feature of Australia? And we have just almost 7 minutes, beta.
मिस एक बार दिखा दो
आपके सामने है, आप देखें. Which is the most important interesting feature of Australia? क्वेश्चन देखिए, इसका आंसर सेम बिल्कुल उसी तरह से आपकी बुक में भी मौजूद है.
मिस हम स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं ना कि अगर हो गया तो फिर हम
दैट इज योर चॉइस बेटा. जितना टाइम है हमारे पास हम करते हैं. आप क्वेश्चन लिखिए जल्दी से. मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लूं, फिर हम क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं. विच इज द इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया? डन.
यस मिस
Okay, wait a minute, beta. Just a minute. Okay, beta. Now we are going to do this last question, two questions. The interesting feature, answer is the interesting feature of Australia. The interesting feature of Australia is the Great Barrier Reef. You have to write down the Great Barrier Reef, the first letters of three words into capital letter. An interesting feature of Australia is the Great Barrier Reef near the northwestern coast. Near the northwestern coast. We have 5 minutes only. In the Coral Sea. In the Coral Sea. An interesting feature of Australia is the Great Barrier Reef near the northwestern coast in the Coral Sea. Coral Sea का जो C है and S है वो आपने कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखना है. फुल स्टॉप. It is made up of corals. It is made up of corals. Start the bracket. A special sea animal. Bracket end and full stop. It is made up of corals. A special sea animal. Is it clear? A special sea animal is called corals. Coral reef is the only natural structure. Coral reef is the only natural structure that is visible from the moon. That is visible.
देख सकते हैं
Sorry.
कि मिस इसका मतलब है कि हम उसको मून से देख सकते हैं.
Yes. Same like the wall of China. Okay, coral reef is the
तुम देख
only
सकते हो उसको
natural.
मून से?
हाँ बिल्कुल. इनका आप बुक में देखिए ना, मैंने आपको स्लाइड्स में भी बताया था. शो होती है जी. ओके, हरी अप बेटा. Coral reef is the only natural structure that is visible from the moon. And question number 8, what is Oceania? Ocean से word है Oceania.
मिस आप आंसर बताएं.
Oceania is the name given to Australia. Australia का A capital. Oceania is the name given to Australia, comma, New Zealand, comma, Hawaii, comma, and thousands of smaller islands in Pacific Ocean.
मिस एक और दफा रिपीट कर
हाँ
दें.
हाँ मैं कर रही हूँ. I am going to repeat you. Okay, question number 8. Answer is Oceania is the name given to Australia, comma, New Zealand, comma, Hawaii, comma, and thousands of smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Well done, all of you. Well done.
Done, miss.
Well done, all of you. Shabash. Acha.
टीचर.
Now you have to do
Alhamdulillah.
your
Done, miss.
exercise B. You have to do your exercise B, beta, on page number, which is on page number
Miss, I have
51.
solved in the book.
Okay. Please do exercise B on page number 51. Also, you have to do in your copy. Is it clear? Okay, Muhammad
Miss,
Arham.
SST copy 1 आपके पास है?
Yes, beta.
Okay.
Okay, Muhammad Arham. Look at once again, look at your index. Maintain your index properly. Maintain
हमने
your, if you have
5
missed.
मिनट सारे क्वेश्चन कर.
Yes, beta, yes. Well done, all of you. You did a great job, all of you. Very good. अब इसी तरह से मुझे नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क चाहिए बिल्कुल. मोहम्मद अरहम, आर यू लिसनिंग मी? मोहम्मद अरहम, बेटा मेंटेन योर इंडेक्स. If you have anyone, you have missed your index, then you can see this slide. Effects of ocean currents.
कोस्ट के.
Sorry?
जैसे कि आपने बिट नंबर 1 लिखा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से, ओशन करंट्स अफेक्ट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द कोस्ट. इसका मतलब
यानी समंदर के किनारे जो जगह हैं, कोस्ट हैं, साहिल है, वहाँ का एरिया है, उसको इफेक्ट करता है टेम्परेचर। कोल्ड ब्रीज और वार्म ब्रीज या जब विंड्स चलती हैं तो पानी का टेम्परेचर चेंज होता रहता है वहाँ पर।